Wherever you are, I hope you are well. Natural disasters on Event channel. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to put a like, comment and subscribe. It will help me to evolve the channel. Welcome. Dreadful nature's fury unleashed upon Canada. A night of terror in Calgary, Alberta, as a malevolent hailstorm struck with vengeance. Calamity reigned as homes stood defenseless, cars cowered, and once beautiful gardens lay in ruins. The wails of the wind carried the cries of the affected souls through the streets. In the heart of this tempest, a South Calgary neighborhood bore witness to a relentless assault. Like the wrath of gods, murmured Sheila Luff, trembling in her Riverbend abode, the very window threatened by the hail's merciless assault. With a ferocity that shattered glass and tore through dreams, the sky wept not rain but ice. The apple tree, once an emblem of life's abundance, now stood stripped and defeated. Ray Jabrika, another denizen of this embattled realm, watched helplessly as his haven's roof was mercilessly shattered. An unexpected symphony of destruction orchestrated chaos. The skies roared with a barrage of icy artillery, each strike a cruel reminder of nature's unchecked might. Too early for fireworks, Ray Jabrika mused, his voice trembling like the fragments of his shattered world.